There are hundreds of different oils and butters you can use when cooking, each with its own unique flavors and properties, but they're not always easy to find or available in supermarkets. In fact, some are only sold at specialty stores. But now, thanks to LEVO, you can bring those unique flavors into your kitchen. With LEVO, you are in complete control of your finished product. You can determine the amount and freshness of the flavor you're adding, as well as the time and temperature it infuses. Maybe you want to show off these flavors at your next party, like drizzling some red chili pepper oil on hummus. Or you want to treat you and your family to some everyday meals, like a nice rosemary focaccia. LEVO oil allows you to infuse flavors to anything, snacks, dinner, meals, really whatever you want. It's functional and compact for easy storage, but LEVO looks so elegant, you'll want to leave it on your counter even when you're not using it. LEVO is very simple to use with a very simple process to it. First, you take whatever flavor you're using and put it into the strainer. Then, you take whatever oil you're using and fill the reservoir. Everything happens inside the device. You don't have to do anything extra to add flavor to it. And the best part is, those are the only two pieces you have to clean. Then, you set the time and temperature for it. These will vary depending on what you're making, and the hotter and longer you leave something infusing, the stronger the flavor will be. Take a rosemary oil for example. It'll take you around 30 minutes to an hour at 160 degrees, whereas a garlic butter will take you up to 2 hours at 175. But that's really dependent on you. If you want a more light flavor, just set a lower temperature or leave it for a shorter time. Then, just let the machine run its course. It won't start infusing until it reaches its desired temperature, so set aside 20 or 30 minutes for it to do that. The only step left is tasting it. Bring it to your friends, family, or co-workers. With LEVO, you'll bring a world of unique flavors to your kitchen.